Potter, we can't go to Have a Nice Day Cafe. We're already on double secret probation, whatever that is.
Students of higher education, this is Professor Disco Cisco. Burn your books, pencils, pens, report cards, and rebel!
At Have a Nice Day Cafe, every Tuesday night, college ID night. It's time to cut loose, get crazy, and live out your youth to the fullest at the cafe. Every Tuesday night, college ID night.
Every Tuesday night is college ID night at Have a Nice Day Cafe. Don't forget every Thursday is ladies night. Ladies no cover charge, half price Happy Bowls, and a $200 cash prize for the best 70s outfit. Have a Nice Day Cafe, East Bank of the Flats next to Bar Cleveland. Have a Nice Day Cafe.